If you don't have a business or your business isn't where you want it to be, you got to put focused attention on it. Marketing and getting clients and getting appointments is not going to happen if you diddly-daddle with it. It's got to be every freaking day. Every day. You cannot let one day go by without getting an appointment. And you cannot let a week go by without getting a client. That's the way I would change your frame of thinking. I got to get, guys, it's freaking 12:17 right now. What can we do to get an appointment? I'm going to show you here in a second. So 20 meetings a month. Now 20 meetings a month. How am I going to get those, right? That might be a combination of things. And that's where we get into our training today. What can you do to generate appointments? I might directly reach out to people. I might use something called direct outreach, where I actually just reach out to people that I already know or that I know of, right? These could be friends, family, network, acquaintance, any business owner that I've ever met. It could even be someone who I've seen around but I haven't met, but I know, that person's great. I could do direct outreach. I could use LinkedIn. We're going to talk about our LinkedIn marketing methods and how we get appointments using LinkedIn. We could do Facebook. We could do Facebook advertising, right? We could do Facebook advertising. We could do Google AdWords. We could do Google AdWords. We could do SEO. We could do all these things. We could do three-dimensional mail, right? Where we actually send them a physical mailer with something in it, right? If it's a lawyer, you send them a chocolate gavel, or you send them something, right? Something silly. If it's a construction guy, you throw in there like a little tool, right? Or a couple of nails or something. I'd nail this engagement like you'd never seen, right? You just throw something in there. So there's dozens of these I could list out here, guys. But here's the thing. When you're small, some of you guys see me around, right? We've got all these things. We've got LinkedIn, we've got YouTube, we've got videos, we've got website and everything. I got 30 people back here that can do this stuff. I grew my business up to probably $250,000 a month in sales with a very small team. And really, we weren't doing any social media marketing. Really, we were just narrowing in on one or two methods to get appointments, okay? So instead of doing all of these, guys, you need to pick one or two. 1 to 2 and just dominate it. Just dominate it, because you got to figure out how to get 20 meetings. You don't want to be a generalist where you're doing all of these things. You're doing all these marketing methods. You want to get one channel and just freaking dominate on it. Now, if you're doing less than $10,000 a month in sales on your business right now, I would recommend you pick a channel where it doesn't require paying for advertising, right? Doing Facebook requires advertising. That requires actual money. Doing AdWords requires actual money. Doing 3D mail does require a little bit of money. The rest of this stuff is relatively free. If you want to use your energy to make some blog posts on SEO, it's really not the best or the most direct response, right? If you want to use LinkedIn to get appointments, you can do that almost free. Maybe there's a couple of little costs. Directly reaching out to people, dude, I could do it right now. I could get my phone right now. I could pull it out and I could start sending messages to people, friends, family, network, acquaintance. I could look at my cell phone listing. I could look at my Facebook friends, and I could start messaging people. So I will show you guys that here in a second. But the point is that to get these 20 meetings a month, you need to specialize in something. You have to specialize in something. So you have the goal, right? You understand that you're going to fail at this thing a lot. You have the goal. You've done the math. You need 20 meetings a week. I'm going to get everybody a meeting right freaking now.